Hi everyone, welcome back to my tantalizing bites. For those of you who don't know, I grew up in Dubai, United Arab Emirates. Dubai is very famous for its amazing food. One thing you're gonna find everywhere you go in Dubai is shawarma. A shawarma is a delicious wrap that is filled with chicken or meat, pickles, salad, sauces. It's very juicy, very satisfying, very delicious. It's very easy to make. I'm gonna show you how I make my shawarma. So without wasting any more time, I'm gonna take you into my kitchen and we are gonna get started right now. I'm gonna start off with 2 pounds of chicken breast that I'm gonna cut into thin fillets. You can also use boneless, skinless chicken thighs. Now we're going to start with the marination. You're going to juice up 1 lemon or lime. To this you're going to add 1/3 of a cup of mayo and 1/4 cup of oil. I prefer using olive oil, but you can use whatever oil you like. Next we're going to add 1/2 teaspoon each of cinnamon and smoked paprika. Next, we're going to add 1 teaspoon each of salt, oregano, black pepper, red chili flakes, coriander powder, cumin powder, cardamom powder, and garlic powder. We are going to mix all of this really well until it's nicely combined. Then we will add our chicken breast fillet to this. We're going to mix everything really well so that the chicken gets coated. Once your chicken has nicely been coated with all the marination, you're going to cover it up and set it aside for at least 30 minutes. You can even do this overnight. And we are going to get started with our 2 sauces. We're going to start with the tahini garlic mayo. For this, we're going to crush up 4 to 5 garlic cloves. We are then going to take our crushed garlic and we are going to add 5 tablespoons of mayo to this and 3 tablespoons of tahini. Tahini is a sesame paste that is easily available at most Mediterranean stores. You're going to whisk this up. You might need a couple of tablespoons of warm water to help whisk it because tahini might be a little thick. Once this is nice and smooth, we're going to add some lemon or lime juice. Let's mix it up and there you go. This delicious tahini garlic mayo is ready. Now we are going to make our cucumber sauce. You're going to crush up 2 cloves of garlic, grate up 1 cucumber, you can squeeze out the extra water from the cucumber if you'd like to. I like to leave it as is. To this, I'm going to add my garlic, and then I will also add 2 tablespoons of mayo, and we will add 4 tablespoons of yogurt. We are going to season this with some black pepper, some dried mint. You can use fresh if you'd like, and we're going to add salt to taste. We will also add some lemon or lime juice. And you just want to mix this up until it's nice and smooth. And there you go. In just a few minutes, we have these 2 delicious, amazing sauces ready that we are going to put in our shawarmas. We are now going to cook the chicken. We're going to start off with heating up 1 tablespoon of oil on medium-high heat. Once our oil is hot, we are going to add our chicken to the pan in a single layer so that it cooks evenly. We are going to cover this with a lid and cook it for 5 minutes on each side. It already smells amazing. So the total cooking time was 10 minutes because we cooked it for 5 minutes on each side, and our chicken is now cooked to perfection. It smells great, it looks great. Check out the color. And now we are going to start slicing up our chicken so that we can get it ready to be stuffed into the shawarma. And if you don't want to make a shawarma, you can actually have these chicken steaks with a salad or with some roasted vegetables. So for my shawarma, I'm using this thin lavash flatbread that I picked up from Costco. You can use pita bread, you can use naan bread, whatever you'd like. So we're going to take our bread and we are going to slather it with the tahini garlic mayo. Now be generous, don't skimp on this. This is what gives it a nice, juicy, creamy flavor. And we're going to top it with some chicken. And then you can add some pickles, some tomatoes, lettuce, onions, greens of your choice. Some people also like to add roasted potatoes or French fries. I'm going to leave that out for today. I'm just doing pickles, tomatoes, onions. For the greens, I decided to use some arugula that I had sitting in my fridge. You can use lettuce if you'd like to. And then we're going to top this up with the cucumber sauce that we made, that delicious garlicky cucumber mint sauce. And we are going to wrap this up now. I like to place my shawarma in a hot panini and press it down for a couple of minutes just so that it becomes nice and toasty and warm. Amazing shawarma is ready. It's very, very delicious. Do try it out. Let me know how you liked it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.